onto Van Nuys. And back again, right turn. Whoa, swinging wide there on that vehicle coming the opposite way, and he's going to continue about 40 miles an hour. The speeds haven't been too terribly high. Here he's trying to make a right-hand turn again. LAPD airship, about 6 units in the pursuit. Staying on surface streets here in Van Nuys. This is Kester. We've been on Kester multiple times. Turning again into the neighborhood. Oh no, he hit that car. What happened there? I mean, the driver just wasn't paying attention, hit a parked car, flipped the vehicle. Wow. Unbelievable. He just hit that car, drifted into that car, and the car flipped over. Now the LAPD is going to move in, try to rescue the driver. Here he comes out of the vehicle. And it looks like he's out. He's unconscious. Just hit this parked car out of the blue, just kind of drifted into him.